All right, here it is, the power generator. Now I do need to tell you, this was provided to me by the company to do a review, but with no instructions whatsoever. So we're gonna test it out. If it's gonna suck, it's gonna get a 1 on the Doug score. If it's amazing, it's gonna get a 5. But before we take it out and test it out, let me tell you about it, show you how it works, some of those features. So the beauty of this is it's adaptable, right? I have 4 of these power bars, and in this unit you could put in 2 power bars at any one time. Let me show you how you put those power bars in. Take out the cover, take the power bar itself, slide it in, that's all there is to it. I now have power going to the unit. I could put 2 of these to get the full 600 watts of power. I could have another 2 outside charging solar while I'm using this here. I could even use a third with one of the other adapters, but let me show you how the unit itself works. So now that it's plugged in, you can see I turned it on. The readout gives you how much power it is. I haven't charged that bar up yet, so I have 35% power. I can power 9 different things at one time. There are 2 110 volt AC. There are 2 100 watt USB-Cs, 2 USB-As. There's also a conventional car style charger, as well as some DC out. Additionally, not that it's totally important, but it's nice, it does have a nice bright LED. I think that's really cool, just in case, you know, obviously the power's out, that's why we're using this. And it has a strobe in case there's an emergency. Let me give you an example of how much power things use. Let's say it's a hurricane. I'm here in Florida. I want a fan. Let's plug a fan into it. I only have 35% power, but let's plug in the fan. Plug that in, turn on the AC. Good, let's turn this on, put the fan, turn this on, put the fan on. Okay, so the fan is on. I'm pulling a whole 10 watts. I got the fan on, actually it feels kind of nice out here. And this will run at 35% power, we'll run this fan for 11 hours. Let's get all wild, let's have it oscillate. There we go, full oscillation. Let's see what that looks like. There it goes. Interesting, it doesn't pull any more power. I would have thought it pulled more power. Okay, let's talk about what else comes with it, and let's take it outside, charge things up with solar power, and really see how it works. With the kit, there are a ton of ways to charge it. It comes with a 110 charger, comes with an adapter to directly charge it via the solar panels, and it also comes with the classic car connector, so you could charge it if you're camping and you want to charge it off your RV or your van life kind of thing. You can do that, absolutely. Just plug it into the lighter or the power outlet and you're good. One other key feature I wanted to tell you about, obviously we saw it run the fan. It used almost no power to run a fan. The most of us are going to want to be able to charge our cell phones, our iPads, use our laptops, watch TV, all that kind of stuff. And the key to all those things that I just said are they are electronics and very sensitive to the quality of the power that comes out. You could buy one of those cheap, like contractor open frame generators that make a ton of noise, may make more than 600 watts of power, but the power that comes out of those is really dirty, and if you plug in your electronics for more than a short period of time, you're asking for trouble. This has a pure sine wave, so you're going to be able to comfortably use all of your electronics as much as you want without having to worry about damaging them. Overall, I think this thing's amazing. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 for awesomeness. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.